Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at the Stanley Ash Vacuum Cleaner, model SL-18184, a compact, powerful tool designed for managing messes in fireplaces, wood stoves, pellet stoves, and fire pits. If you're someone who enjoys a cozy fire but dreads the cleanup, this might be the vacuum you've been waiting for. The Stanley SL-18184 is a canister-style ash vacuum with a solid 4-gallon capacity metal tank. Its 4-peak HP motor delivers impressive suction power, designed specifically to handle the fine, lightweight ashes and debris often left behind by wood, coal, and pellet fires. This vacuum is a great fit for both professional and home use, providing a convenient and efficient way to tackle all those tricky cleaning jobs, whether indoors or outdoors. The compact size and portability make it an easy addition to any cleaning routine, and it's perfect for everything from fire pits to barbecue grills. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its build quality. The metal tank is not only durable, but also coated with a spray paint finish, giving it a robust, long-lasting exterior. You won't have to worry about wear and tear in the heat, thanks to the heat-resistant aluminum extension wand and metal hose. This design is made for longevity and can stand up to both the heat from ashes and the pressure of frequent use. When it comes to usability, the Stanley Ash Vacuum is designed for ease. It offers a flexible 12 feet of cleaning reach, thanks to its 4-foot hose, aluminum extension wand, and an 8-foot power cord. This means you can easily maneuver around your fireplace or fire pit without being limited by short cables or tight spaces. The waterproof on-off switch also enhances safety and convenience, ensuring that you can control the vacuum without worrying about accidental shocks. Now let's talk about the filtration system. This vacuum is equipped with a double filtration system that includes both a cartridge filter and a pre-filter. These work together to prevent dust and particles from entering the motor, keeping it running smoothly and preventing damage over time. Plus, both filters are washable and reusable, which makes maintenance simple and cost-effective. Given that you're working with fine ash, these filters do an excellent job of capturing dust, ensuring that the air around your cleaning area stays cleaner too. In real-world usage, the Stanley Ash Vacuum shines when it comes to removing cold ash from various surfaces. It's particularly effective in cleaning up after wood stoves, fire pits, and grills, but don't expect it to handle wet or hot ash. This is for cold ash only. The compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and its performance is on par with higher-end models in terms of suction. When cleaning, the vacuum maintains strong suction power without clogging, even when dealing with fine, powdery ash. However, for larger messes, you may need to empty the tank a bit more often, but the 4-gallon capacity is usually enough for most routine cleaning tasks. One thing to note is that, like any vacuum, there's the issue of noise. While it's not excessively loud, the motor does generate a bit of noise, which is typical for this type of device. It's not something that will disrupt your entire household, but it's worth considering if noise sensitivity is a concern for you. The vacuum also includes several handy attachments. The aluminum extension wand and metal hose provide good flexibility, especially when cleaning hard-to-reach places like high shelves or behind furniture. Whether you're cleaning the hearth or the insides of your barbecue grill, the vacuum is versatile enough to handle a variety of scenarios. So let's break it down. The Stanley SL-18184 provides solid performance in cleaning up ash from fireplaces, stoves, and fire pits. It's built to last, thanks to its durable materials and thoughtful design. The suction is strong, and the filtration system ensures that both the vacuum and the air stay clean. However, the compact design does limit its capacity, so if you're regularly dealing with larger amounts of ash, you may find yourself needing to empty it more often. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum offers good performance at an affordable price. You're getting a durable, portable vacuum with the right tools for the job. However, it's worth considering whether you need a larger capacity vacuum or more powerful suction for bigger jobs. In the same price range, you might find options that offer more versatility or extra features. But for those focused on cleaning fine ashes from specific heat sources, this vacuum delivers exactly what it promises. Comparing it to some other popular models, like the shop vac ash vacuums or the Black & Decker models designed for similar tasks, the Stanley SL-18184 holds its own in terms of power and usability. While others may offer larger capacities or additional attachments for extra versatility, the Stanley stands out for its simple, effective design and strong performance at a competitive price point. In terms of build quality, the Stanley SL-18184 is designed to handle heat and wear without breaking down. The materials feel solid, and the assembly is straightforward. As for maintenance, the washable filters are a big plus. The overall longevity of the product seems promising, although, like with any vacuum, regular upkeep is necessary to ensure it continues running smoothly. While you might not need to contact customer support often, Stanley is generally known for offering good after-sales service and warranty support if needed. With a 1-year limited warranty included, there's peace of mind that you're covered should anything go wrong. So, who is this vacuum best suited for? If you have a fireplace, wood stove, or fire pit, and you're tired of dealing with the mess, the Stanley Ash Vacuum Cleaner is a great choice. It's especially useful for cleaning up after cold ash in specific areas like grills, fire pits, or stoves. It's also ideal for those who want a durable, no-fuss vacuum that gets the job done without a lot of extra features. However, if you need something for larger cleaning tasks or require more power, you may want to look into other options. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Stanley Ash Vacuum Cleaner or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our future reviews. Goodbye till next time. And remember, when it comes to cleaning, we've got you covered inside and out, only here on Reviews Inside TV.